Good afternoon, all, and welcome to my eportfolio. To begin, we will start about a little bio about myself. So, my name is Dominic Nixon, and I am a senior student at CUNY SPS. I am currently majoring in psychology in hopes of becoming a child psychologist. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, and my background is West Indian. I am a mother of an active 1-year-old boy, and I'm currently employed at a hardware store as a paint specialist. I enjoy my job because I help people bring to life their creative image for their homes. Now, to begin, I did have some trouble creating this eportfolio. I believe it's just a little bit difficult to navigate and delete some images and add some images. So throughout the navigation of this portfolio, you would see that there is some images that may seem out of place and some things that may look unorthodox, but please try to work with me throughout this. I have provided my contact information, so if you have any questions or you're unclear about something, you can email me or check out my YouTube channel where I've had previously uploaded videos and most likely this video throughout the semester. Next, I will be sharing with you guys my resume, which is to the right. I could not figure out how to get rid of the other resume, I guess as a practice or example. But my resume to the right, I would start with my high school education. I went to Hempstead High School on Long Island. Then I went to Nassau Community College where I got my associate's degree in arts. And then I'm currently at CUNY SPS, as you know. My first job was at Vector Marketing as a sales representative. We actually did examples where we went to people's house and, tried to sell them knives. My next job was at a childcare center where I basically was a school-age counselor. I helped kids with their homework and things like that. Then next, I went and worked at Walmart as an electronics specialist. I opened phones and sold iPads, and now I'm at Lowe's Home Improvement where I am a paint specialist and I make paint. It's kind of fun. So first we will go to changing mediums and technologies, which we learned this semester. What I provided for you was a podcast with a script that I did about the mourning of loss of CDs. So I would just maybe read just the first part. So it says, in today's podcast, we will be discussing mediums that are becoming obsolete, particularly where we'll be focusing on CDs and newspapers. These mediums hold a significance in my childhood. When my family and I drove across country on road trips, I'd always carry my CD player. I remember having a CD case with my various CDs and a pack of batteries. Today, the use of CDs are dwindling. In my school, I would often use newspapers for current events, homeworks, and paper mache. Now, newspapers are hardly used for anything, which is true. The only use I use newspapers for now is when it rains, I put it down so when you walk in, you don't track water all over the floor, or if I'm maybe wrapping a gift, I may stuff it inside if it's glass, just to, help protect it. But CDs are definitely going out of style. If anyone wants to listen to music, they just download it on Apple Music or iTunes or Spotify or something like that through a digital way. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't get rid of CDs because maybe later on they're going to be collectors who are going to be interested in CDs and they may be worth a lot of money in the long run. So I would maybe keep all the CDs that you've ever had. Next, we'll be moving to social movements and social media. Now, this page I kind of had a little issue with too. not sure how to get rid of the images, and I tried to add another assignment, but it just didn't work out. So I'll start with the assignment that's kind of hidden. Yeah. So I decided to talk about Love Wins, the movement. Now I will read this. The Love Win movement is centered around the Supreme Court ruling to strike down state bans against same-sex marriages. These movements' goal is to support those who are in the LGBTQ community. When searching the hashtag LoveWins on my Instagram account, it has over 5.5 million hits. So this is a very popular movement, especially now where people are coming out and being more open with their sexuality. So I believe this is a very powerful movement within our time. Next, I will discuss the social medias. Instagram now has an activity option where you can view how much time you spend on the application. Based on my account, I spent a daily average of 1 hour and 60 minutes on Instagram, which I kind of have a debate about because I feel like I spend way much more time, but maybe it's because it's periodically. I spend 5 minutes here, 3 minutes here, 10 minutes there. I only really use it when I'm bored, when I have nothing to do, and I just stroll and look at images and read things of that nature. Finally, I will move on to politics and social media. So I just posted a campaign that was previously recorded. You could check out the link if you like and see what kind of things I said. But again, I cannot get rid of the images on the left. I've tried to delete them as best as I could, but somehow it didn't work. So I will return to the About Me page. Yeah. So throughout the semester, I definitely learned a lot of things about social media and how social media came about. How has it changed the way people view things, the way politics are dictated, and I feel like everything that I've learned this semester definitely can be useful to me. Being that I have a social media account, and social media is always changing. All the social medias we have now most likely be something else in the future. But overall, this semester has been great. I've learned a lot through this class. Things that I thought I knew, I didn't. But all in all, it was an exciting experience, and hopefully I will learn how to navigate this eportfolio better. But until next time, have a great